Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Pressure is determined as force per unit area of the surface. The SI unit of pressure, Pascal, is as shown below. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. If mass of air at sea level is 1034 gram per centimeter square, find the pressure in Pascal. If you check the question, you can see that they have given the mass of air at sea level. What is that? 1034 gram per centimeter square. See, it is not simply mass, it is actually mass per area, correct? It is not simply 1034 gram, it is 1034 gram per centimeter square. So what we can write? Mass by area is equal to 1034 gram per centimeter square, correct? Now we can convert gram and centimeter square to SI unit. So what is the SI unit of mass? It is kilogram. So convert gram to kilogram. How? Into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. By how to convert centimeter square to meter square? It is 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. If you don't know, memorize these two things, okay? X gram is equal to x into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram and x centimeter square is equal to x into 10 raised to minus 4. Remember these conversions. Very important, okay? Very, very important. So on calculating, what you will get? 1034 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to 4 kilogram per meter square, and it become 1034 into 10 kilogram per meter square. So it is 10340 kilogram per meter square. So we got just mass per area. Our target is to find what? Pressure in Pascal, right? What is force experienced due to mass m? Force experienced due to mass m is mg. We call it as weight, right? Now what is pressure? Pressure is equal to force by area, correct? Now we can write it like what? M by A into G, and we already know mass per area, right? Mass by area is what? 10340, correct? Into 10, or you can say 9.8, correct? On calculating, we will get 101,325.4. Now what is the unit? See, mg is force, right? Newton. By area. Area, what is the unit? Meter square. And we know Newton per meter square is what? Pascal. So 101,325.4 Pascal. Hope all of you understand. In standard form, you can write like what? 1.01324 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. This is a standard form. Okay, and you can write like this also, no problem.